Okay, folks, we're live now in section 1.9, mental arithmetic 2. Let's make it bigger so we can see nice and clearly. That's nice and big. That's lovely. Okay, let's have a look at some of these questions together, see how we do them. I'm going to miss out all the obvious questions. I want to concentrate on certain questions. So 6 times by 4. Now we have a part on the left hand side and a part on the right hand side. And the left hand side must equal. So we got 24 on the left. So we got to have how many on the right? 24. So that number will have to be then 4. Okay. Number 3. 1 kilo. Now minus 200 grams. Don't shout out the answer. Now in a kilogram, these are two different units here. When you change kilograms into grams, put your hand up if you don't change kilograms into grams. Put your hand up. Okay, go on. 1,000 grams. That's lovely. So 1,000 minus the 200 gives us an answer of 800. Okay, I'm going to go on to question number 5 next. Follow me on the question I'm doing, folks. I'm purposely missing out easier ones. So 45 minutes. We add 20 minutes. That gives us how many minutes? But they want you to break that into hours and minutes. So how many hours is that then?
1 hour.
And how many minutes left over?
5.
Excellent, well done. Okay. Alright, next one. We have 1 pound minus 53p. How many pennies do we have in a pound? Put your hand up. 100. So you got to convert into pennies. Then you minus 53 and it gives an answer, Sufyan. Well done. Thank you, Sufyan. Excellent answer there. Nice and quick. Okay. Right, let's go on to question number 9 next. Okay, I'm selecting only certain questions. So 70 plus 60 will give us, first of all,
10.
whoa.
110.
70 at 60 will give us 130, yeah? 130 centimeters. Now, we have to change that back into meters and centimeters. So how many meters do we have? 1 here. And how many centimeters do you have left over?
30.
30 left over. That goes over here. Okay, quickly number 10, then we'll move on to the next section. Okay, 40 divided by 6. 6 will go into 40 how many times? 6 times. And 6 times by 6 is? 36. So the leftover is? 4. So the answer here is?
4.
4 and 6 remain the 4. Done. That's section A, done, the question that I want you to look at today. Okay, let's move down. Okay. Section B now. Okay, the first question nice and easy. Okay, here we go. How much longer is 1 meter than 57 centimeters? I don't want the answer. I want somebody to explain to me what does it mean. Okay, Urva.
You mean to have to take away 57 centimeters from 1 meter.
That's right. So how much is it extra? So how much more is it? So we're going to do the calculation Urva mentioned is 100 centimeters minus the 57 to give us how much is extra. And the answer is
43.
43. Okay, next question. Increase half a kilogram by 250 grams. Now, watch this carefully. I'm using highlighter here now. They have here kilograms and they have here grams. So they got different units. I'm purposely trying to catch you. Different units. What do we do with the units? We make them both the same. In half a kilogram, how many grams do we have?
5.
Excellent. And then we have to increase it. Increase it means add 250. So that gives a total of?
750.
So don't get confused about the different units. Now, Mariam, we have 350 mil less than 1 liter. How many milliliters in 1 liter? Shh, quiet. Mariam, 1,000. So less than means 1,000 minus the 350, which gives us an answer of?
650.
650. Excellent. Okay, next. Okay, easy. Okay, find the difference. What does the word difference mean in maths? It means? Take away. So 6 times by 5 will give us 30. And 6 times by 2 will give us?
12.
And 30 taken by 12 will give us? 18. Okay, let's quickly move on to the next part. Remember, we're only doing selected questions with the ones which I think that you'll have the most amount of benefit from. Okay, here we go. So how many 5s are equal to 80p? What does this calculation involve?
Multiplication.
Whoa, no. How many 5s are equal to 80? It's not multiplication, it's division. So we do 80 divided by 5. And 80, 5 will go into 80 how many times? 16 times. Okay, right. Okay, now this next question we're going to be doing. Which 4 coins together make 10p? Now remember, you can't have a 3p coin. You can't have a 7p coin. You can't have coins that are real coins. So what should we start with? We start with the 5p. Okay, and then we have another 2p and then another. And then last one.
1p.
Done. You can only have coins which are coins. You can't make things up. Okay, another good question over here. What fraction of 30 is 5p? What does that mean? That means 5 out of 30. 5 out of 30, we can simplify that. Divide that by 5. Divide that by 5. That gives, the fraction is?
1/6.
1/6. This clock is 20 minutes slow. If it's 20 minutes slow, what do? We add 20 minutes onto it. So it will be, what will be the time? It will be 10, 10. 10, 10 in the morning. Okay, Tom. So Tom had 27p, he spent 1/3 of his money. How much had he left? If you spend 1/3, how many thirds do you have left? 2/3. So what do you have to work out? You have to work out 2/3 of 27. That's what you have to do. Now, I need somebody to give me the method. How do we work out 2/3 of 27? What is the technique? Okay. Qasim, how do you work out 2/3? What do we do? First of all, work out 1/3. You divide by the bottom number. And then you multiply by the top number. So you work out a third and double it. So what's 27 divided by 3?
9.
And what's 9 times by 2?
18.
So how much did you have left over was?
18.
18 pence. Okay, so that question there requires you to do some calculation. Okay? Right, let's move up. Okay, what's my, okay, right. The next question is number 9 is a nice question there. Let's do that one. Find the cost of 100 grams. Okay, this is, what kind of question is this? If half a kilogram costs 40p. Right, let's just make this one a bit bigger. And just concentrate, focus on that question alone. That's lovely. Right, half a kilogram. What's half a kilogram in grams?
500.
And 40p is 40p. That's straightforward. And they want you to work out the cost of what?
100 grams.
So how do we get from 500 down to 100? And you cannot use the word takeaway in your explanation. What do we do? Give somebody, put your hand up, give me a technique. How does 500 become 100? You can't use the word takeaway. Go on.
500 divided by 5.
Excellent. That's exactly what we do. 500 divided by 5 is 100. If you divide the left hand side, then we divide the right hand side. So now do 40, divide that also by 5. Write this calculation down, please, in your work. What's 40 divided by 5?
8.
8p, that's right. So the cost of 100 grams, the answer will be
8.
8p. That one's done.